Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to change the repository name in GitHub. If you've been searching for a way to rename a repository in GitHub, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To change the name of a repository in GitHub, first of all, open GitHub on your computer or mobile device. Log in to your GitHub account if you have not already logged in. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on your profile picture and select your profile from the drop-down menu. You will see different tabs at the top of the screen, such as Overview, Repositories, Projects, Packages, and more. Click on this Repositories tab. Now, find the repository that you want to rename. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate the specific repository. Click on a repository that you want to rename. Once you are in the repository, look at the menu tabs at the top of the page. From the menu, click on the Settings tab. In the Settings page, look for the Repository Name section. You'll see the current name of your repository. Click in the text field with the current name and type the new name you want for your repository. Once you've entered your new name, click the Rename button to save the new name. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the name of your repository on GitHub.